All right, so this is the current state of my garage as far as lighting goes. I got 8 big fluorescents up here, kind of mismatched colors. The garage door's got some LEDs. So I've been wanting to change these out to LEDs for a while now, especially because some of these are dying on me or flickering weird. I got mismatched colors. So we're gonna take a look here. This is kind of the dark corner in the garage. It's not too bad, but it definitely could be better. So these are the lights I just got from Amazon. I will put a link in the description. I don't really think there's a brand on here, but this is an LED alternative. You can choose the wattage, so how bright you want it, and you can choose the color. So let's do some testing. All right, so we're gonna use this bike as an example. This is with the current light. It's a little yellow. I'd probably say it's around like 3,000 or 4,000. You can see got a good color here. This is the better lit side of the garage. We're gonna start with probably the lowest power, so 10 watts, and we'll start with 3,000 and see how it compares. So let me get these swapped out. All right, so clearly I have an issue. I keep testing them out. I flip them around. I've used different lights. I got this like strobing effect. I tried it in this one. This one I couldn't even get to work with both lights in. They were both dark. Flipped it around one way, flip it around the other way, still nothing. Now I got to put the other bulb back in here just to get some sort of light because it's so dark. And then this one, you know, strobing. I don't even know what's going on. I got to figure this out. So I looked into why I got this flickering going on, and everyone pretty much says I may have to pull these down and do a ballast bypass. So I'm going to get one of these pulled down and see if that's the case. All right, so I watched the video. Pretty much it seems like you take the red and blue from one side, get them twisted all together, and then connect it to the black wire coming out of here. And then the white wire will be connected to the yellow. And then we will test an LED up in there. Okay, so that seems to fix the issue that I got going on with those other ones. You can see how I have them connected. We're talking all of them on the left side to the white wire. Black wire going to the right side, and then, you know, it's live. I don't really want to touch it, but so we got a couple of different options here as far as wattage and color. Let me see if I can take you through this without electrocuting myself. Oh yeah, so that's much more yellow. We get towards blue, and then we got nice clean white in the middle. And on this side, we got 10 watts all the way to 25 watts. Shoo, that's nice. All right, so look, this is 5,700 Kelvin on 10 watts, I believe. So this is also like the dimmest they go, and you can see those ones over there still tweaking. That's gonna be, I think, 3,000. But while I was putting that up, the wind came by and absolutely exploded one of these. So I gotta make sure I get these all laying on the ground because that was like a bomb. All right, so you just saw me get that second one in. They're both on 24 watt, 5,700, or maybe it's 5,000. One of the two, I think it's 5,000. And you can see the color difference. There's way less yellow, it's way clearer. Absolutely no shadows. So that's nice when I'm like polishing the car or I'm working on a bike. I'll have some way better light in here. Super happy with it. Not too hard. The hardest part is getting it all to go back in. So I got the little bungee there to help me hold it up. And the other issue is I keep breaking the covers on the wires or whatever you want to call it when I'm trying to strip it. And then I just end up pulling the wire off the end instead of just stripping it. But overall, not too bad. According to my phone, it says it takes 20 minutes to do each one of these. So I got those two to do, and you can see how bad those ones are. So I'm excited to get some more light on that side. All right, here it is. I'm still missing the front two lights. So I gotta order 2 more. This only came in a pack of 6 or like a pack of 12. So I'm just gonna see if I can contact the manufacturer and get 2 more. But you can tell everything in here is that nice like crystal white light. See how clean everything is. I'm loving it. So much better. No longer got that like yellowish hue on stuff. Had to clean up all the glass from breaking that other one, but crispy clean. Let me see about this angle. Oh yeah. Nice. Once I get those 2 in there, I'll be perfect.